In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a Google Ads campaign for YouTube. Running an ad campaign can often feel overwhelming, but with just a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to effectively promote your content on YouTube. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Ads and sign in. Make sure you have your account ready because this is where everything begins. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the tools and features necessary to create your campaign. With your Google Ads account open, you'll want to look for the option that says Plus New Campaign and give it a click. This is the stepping stone to setting up something new and exciting. Now, you'll be greeted with a selection of goals. Think about the purpose of your campaign. Is it to generate leads, drive more traffic to your website, or maybe you want to create a campaign without a specific goal in mind? Choose what aligns best with your overall marketing strategy. Next, select video as your campaign type. Since we're focusing on YouTube, video is obviously the way to go. Here, you're setting the stage for where your ads will be displayed, right in front of your potential viewers on YouTube. Once you've made this selection, continue with inputting your campaign details. Decide on a catchy and relevant campaign name to help keep things organized. You should then establish your campaign's goal, which circles back to the option you chose earlier. Moving along, it's time to focus on the financials and strategic approach. Specify your budget and determine your bidding strategy. Consider whether max CPV, which stands for maximum cost per view, or target CPA, cost per acquisition, fits your desired outcome. Be deliberate about how much you're willing to spend and what you aim to achieve. As you proceed, it's essential to define where, why, and how you want your ads to appear. Set your locations and languages to target markets specific to your needs, which means focusing on geographical and linguistic preferences that matter most to your campaign. Next, delve into audience targeting. Here you hone in on who really matters. Selecting demographics like age or gender, interests that align with your content, relevant keywords, and even placements adds significant precision to your ad delivery, ensuring the right people see your message. With targeting locked down, enter your final URL to take people to your desired destination, a display URL that accurately reflects your brand, and don't forget an enticing call to action. This CTA is what prompts viewers to engage further, perhaps by clicking through to your site or signing up for a newsletter. Finally, before you launch, click on Review Campaign to double-check all your selections and settings, from creative visuals to financial details. Once you're satisfied, confidently select Publish Campaign to start your ad journey, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Google Ads campaign up and running on YouTube in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.